Daily summer skincare routine. Morning routine cleansing. Start your day by using a gentle foaming cleanser to remove any overnight buildup of oils and sweat. This helps in keeping the pores clear and your skin fresh. Hydration and protection. After cleansing, apply a vitamin C serum to brighten the skin and protect against potential hyperpigmentation from sun exposure. Follow this with a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer with SPF 30 or higher to hydrate and protect your skin from the harmful UV rays. Evening routine, deep cleansing. Use the same foaming cleanser from the morning to remove dirt, excess oil and pollutants accumulated throughout the day. Treatment and repair. Apply a topical retinoid to help in cell turnover and improving skin texture. This should be followed by a lightweight, non-comedogenic night cream or a hydrating facial oil enriched with antioxidants to nourish and repair the skin overnight. For detailed information, please follow my blog. Link is in description.